Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to explore the Tullie Smith Farm. First stop, Tullie Smith Farm. Now to get to the Tullie Smith Farm, you do have to go over a little bridge. Goes over a nice babbling brook. And here you arrive at the farm, Tullie Smith Farm. Now if we're lucky, we're even run into the resident mouse chaser. His name is Dodger, he's the cat. At least at the time that we were here. We also had a few friends. We had some sheep right here. Now these two were in the corner because they were bad. Bad joke. Okay. These were my only friends. Yep. This is Bobby Joe, and that's Billy. He's a goat. Now this here is the farm summer kitchen. As you can see by the sign, this is one of those grass-free swept yards. In other words, it was a garden form that was done back in the 1800s. Now we're going to go inside the house. Don't think I can take video in there, but I can definitely take photos. And let's see if we can find Dodger, the cat. Hey Dodger, I hear you don't like kids, but ooh, you're like really freaked out by being pet by somebody you have no idea who it is, huh? In the world-renowned Dodger, the mouser. He's very excitable. The Tullie Smith House is a small farmhouse built around 1840 by Robert Smith. It is typical of the usual kind of plantation houses owned by small farms. The house was originally located in DeKalb County, Georgia, on about 800 acres. This was kind of like a mother-in-law section, so to speak. This was added on much later. I believe they said this was built in 1840-ish, I believe they said. Now the Smith family did own slaves. This is reminiscent of one of the slave cabins. And of course they did work in the house as well as the fields. And of course this was one of the more fancier type, because this did have an upstairs loft. Not much to see. I personally am very glad that we don't do that to people anymore. I hope you enjoyed our visit to the Tullie Smith Farm, and I hope you come back soon for further adventures. And as always, have a great day.